Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? Well, it's all about those warm and cool colours. So I often talk about using a limited palette. I use a blue, a red, a yellow, and usually white, occasionally black as well, depending on how I am feeling. But what is the difference between using a warm palette and a cool palette? So the best thing I think I can do is show you exactly what the differences are. Follow me. So in this warm palette, I've got a Cadmium Yellow, Cadmium Red and Ultramarine Blue. And as you can see, these colours mixed together are really nice and bright. And they're really bringing my little apple to life. I've got a little bit of titanium white there to add some highlights. And on this palette, we've got the cools. So we've got a bright yellow lake, Alizarin Crimson and Phthalo Blue. I did start with lemon yellow, but it was really just too pale for the Phthalo Blue. And as you can see, we're creating the same apple, but these colours are much more muted. The cool colours push back and you end up with it's like minor scale in music. Still lovely, but a very different feel to our apple. Hopefully that will have given you an idea of what a cool colour palette looks like compared to a warm colour palette and how we can use them out in the wild. If you enjoyed that, come join the Academy. We've got lots of things where we understand the why of art, which really does actually make a difference. So subscribe to the channel, come find me, and you will get a free colour chart on warm and cool colours if you subscribe below. See you soon. Bye.